Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Joey Biagas and I'm an audio engineer of a few years now, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your Bose CD changer. Alright, so what I'm going to suggest is you pick up a lens cleaner from your local store. Pretty much anywhere that sells CDs usually has some type of lens cleaner. There's different brands and different kinds, but the one that I have with me today is a lens cleaner made by Memorex. Alright, so it's pretty much what it looks like. It looks like a CD, but it's a special type of CD. On the back of it, it has little brushes. So when you place the CD inside of your CD player, your Bose changer, for example, the brushes are going to, well, the CD is going to spin and the brushes are going to brush against the optical laser. So this kind of clears out some of the dust or some of the maybe artifacts that have gotten in the way of the laser that impairs it from reading the CD audio correctly. So once we get some of that dust out of the way, you may be able to hear a lot better. So let's go ahead and I'm going to toss this into my changer here, or my CD player. But all you have to do is place it in to your computer or your Bose changer and let it do the work. Just let it play for about 5 minutes or so and then you can take it out. But that's pretty much it in how you clean your Bose CD changer. If you do have any other questions, please let us know, and thank you for watching.